So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn how to paint a realistic moon on canvas. For painting a realistic moon I'm just using three colors: black, white acrylic and golden metallic color. And I got water in two different cups, one for painting and second for cleaning paintbrush. Using this technique our painting will be clean, clear and beautiful. And now choosing a brush for painting. First round brush, then a tiny brush for detailings and flat brush for coloring background. Now just watch the full video for painting a realistic moon. But before that, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and share with your friends too. So here's the final outcome, and this one is one of my old moon painting. Now tell me, which moon painting do you like the most? The old one or the new one?